Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm looking like 100% different. I'm living for this hair right now. It's just so unbelievably beautiful. Like, I've always wanted to be like some type of champagne blonde, always in my life. I was blonde at one point, but it wasn't good, and I was a kid and it didn't work out. So now that wigs are like my thing, I seriously am so happy and I love this hair so much, and I'm going to talk about this hair right now. So I am doing a review on this gorgeous wig right here, and this wig is from a brand called Fushi Wigs. I've done a review on them before, but that was such a while back and I needed to give them a second shot. I've been looking for like the perfect champagne blonde hair color that's natural, that doesn't look too synthetic, shiny looking, and just something that's just beautiful and not too thick, not too long. And I found it, and it's this one right here. This wig is absolutely beautiful. So the wig came in this box right here. It says Fushi Beautiful Wigs for you, and inside it just had like an instruction manual and whatnot. But I'm going to be talking about like my real thoughts on this wig. I'm going to show you guys how I cut the lace and everything, and then I just like popped it on right now. So let's get to the most important part, which is how much is this wig? It looks really natural, it looks really beautiful, so you guys are expecting like, what, $100? But no, this wig right here is $69, which is about $70, and I'm actually really impressed because I've reviewed wigs on this channel that are like over $100 and they weren't worth it, honey. So now, this one right here is called the Fushi Wigs, I don't know how to say that word, Fiber Dark Roots Two-Tone Full Lace. So it's full lace, 100% all around. Full lace wig, real natural for women, soft and smooth, straight and no shedding, comfortable and adjustable for perfect fit. And this is in the ombre blonde color. Doesn't say how long. Oh, 22. So this wig is 22 inches. It goes a little bit below my belly button, which I like. I don't like when it goes all the way down to my butt. If I had it my way, it would be about right here, which is an easy trim for me, and it's not that hard. So this wig says that it's no shedding. I have combed it out a couple of times, and this is the amount. You can see my hair, but there's a couple of blonde hairs on there, and that's the amount it shedded. It does kind of shed. I mean, that's just what happens. It's not real, so it's going to shed a bit, but as you can tell, I combed through it right now and it's still looking pretty good. It's fake, so it's going to shed, which is something I've come to realize. I just hate the wigs that shed so much that it's like all over the floor just after you cut it. It's very, I believe it when it says it's tangle free. Like, I'm running my fingers through it, and I remember that's the same thing I remembered with the other wig I had. It was very easy to run my fingers through my hair, almost like it's real hair. It's so beautiful and straight. I'm pretty sure it is heat resistant, but I don't want to curl it or anything, because a lot of the time synthetic hair, especially when it's this straight, does not curl well. I've learned that the hard way. But I really love the way the roots look. I usually hate dark roots on a wig, but this one works because it's not overwhelming. It's just seamlessly blended in, and I'm just so in love with it, you guys. I can't get over how beautiful it is. I'm going to zoom into the hairline just to show you. It's a couple of baby hairs that are tucked underneath. I didn't want them sticking out like crazy, but I'll show you how they look. So this is how the hairline looks. Add some concealer there, and it's going to look super natural. You can't really tell it's a wig. I mean, it just lays beautifully. Look at that. I honestly am just really impressed right now. I have no wig glue in and it's just laying beautifully. Also, there is no synthetic shine at all. I mean, it's a little shiny, but you don't want your hair to look so dull that it looks just like matte. No one wants matte hair, but you don't want a shiny wig looking hair. This doesn't look like a wig. I would wear this out on a date with my boyfriend or something, and I'm not sure how he'd feel if I wore this color because it's such a dramatic change. But a lot of you have been saying film me going out with a wig, and I'll think about it. I'm not the best vlogger, so yeah. But other than that, I'm going to show you a little bit styles on their website. Or this wig is from Amazon too, so that's also something I wanted to say. This is an Amazon wig. On Amazon, they kind of had this cute like twisted hairstyle, and it looked just so natural and beautiful. So see that? That looks so natural. I'm just so impressed with it. And then I even saw one girl with like a ponytail, like a half up, half down, and I'm pretty sure this, okay, now it's lifting up a bit just because, like I said, I do not have lace glue in a cute ponytail. Okay, so that's how it looks like if I were to do half up, half down. So as you can see, it right here, it looks really natural. You don't see the seams. And if you add concealer on the inside of your wig, I'm lifting it up right now because I'm having problems with it just sticking down. But you wouldn't be able to tell. It's just super natural looking. And this wig is full lace, so if you wanted to, let me take this down. If you wanted to, you can flip it to lots of different sides, and you could also, one of the neatest parts is put it up in a ponytail. What I'm talking about. See, look at that. It just looks like it's growing out of my scalp. And my baby hairs are red, but if you're a brunette, it's really going to blend really well. And you can do so much with this. You can be very versatile. Alright, you guys, well, that's pretty much it. I really didn't have a problem with this wig at all. I absolutely love it, like I have mentioned in the video, and I couldn't wait to do another wig review on this company. But anyways, if you guys like this wig, I'll link it down below, and I will see you in the next wig review. I love you guys. Thank you for watching.